So class 6 geography, that is chapter number 2, globe, latitude and longitude. Here we are going to do 25 MCQs from the chapter. Okay, so let us start. The first question is, the earth is slightly flattened at the, and the options are equator, north and south pole, prime meridian, tropic. So the earth is slightly flattened at the north and south pole. Globe is a dash, a flat map of earth, a model of the earth, a picture of the earth, a star. So it is a model of the earth. The imaginary line on which the earth rotates is called the equator, axis, latitude, longitude. So it is axis. The earth rotates from north to south, south to north, west to east, east to west. So it rotates from west to east. Which imaginary line divides the earth into two equal halves? And the options are prime meridian, tropic of Cancer, equator, Arctic circle. So equator divides the earth into two equal halves. The part of the earth north of the equator is called the southern hemisphere, eastern hemisphere, northern hemisphere, western hemisphere. So it is called northern hemisphere. The part of the earth south of the equator is called the northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, eastern hemisphere, western hemisphere, southern hemisphere. Next is, the equator is located at 90 degree north, 90 degree south, 0 degree latitude, 180 degree longitude. So it is located at 0 degree latitude. Parallels of latitude are imaginary lines that run north to south, east to west, diagonally, vertically. So parallel of latitudes are imaginary lines that run east to west. Which is the longest parallel of latitude? And the options are Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, Equator, Antarctic Circle. Equator is the longest parallel of latitude. Which important parallel is located at 23½ degree north? And the options are Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Antarctic Circle. Tropic of Cancer. Which important parallel is located at 23½ degrees south? And the options are Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Arctic Circle. Tropic of Capricorn. The Arctic Circle is located at 23½ degree north, 66½ degree north, 90 degree north, 66½ degree south. So it is located at 66½ degree north. The Antarctic Circle is located at 23½ degree south, 90 degree south, 66½ degree south, 66½ degree north. So it is located at 66½ degree south. Which zone receives the maximum heat from the sun? And the options are frigid zone, temperate zone, torrid zone, polar zone. Torrid zone. Which zone has a moderate climate, neither very hot nor very cold? And the options are torrid zone, temperate zone, frigid zone, polar zone. Temperate zone. Chandrapur, that is in Maharashtra, and Belo Horizonte, that is in Brazil, are located on the same longitude, different latitudes, about the same parallel of latitude, that is 20 degree, but in different hemisphere. So they are located about the same parallel of latitude, that is 20 degree, right? Line of longitude are called parallels, meridian, equator, tropic. So line of longitude are also called meridian. The prime meridian passes through India, Brazil, Greenwich, that is in England, Australia. So it passes through Greenwich, England. Mauritius Island in Indian Ocean and Tonga Island in the Pacific Oceans are located on the same longitude, on the same latitude but different longitude, on the equator, on the prime meridian. So they are on the same latitude but different longitude. The total number of degree of longitude around the earth is 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree, 360 degree. The earth has been divided into how many standard time zone? And the options are 12, 18, 24, 36, 24, right? And the last one is The earth rotates through 360 degree in 12 hours, 18 hours, 24 hours, 48 hours, 24 hours. Okay. So this is the MCQ from the chapter, that is globe, latitude and longitude. Chapter number 2, geography, class 6. So this much for this video. Thank you so much for watching until the end.